こんにちは皆さん、お元気ですか? Hello, how are you? Today, grammar video number 11 of JLPT N4. And this is the second part of 近く動詞, the verb of perception. There are these two verbs, 見えます and 聞こえます. At first, I want you to remember this structure, なります. And in the case of E adjective, the last E changed to く and く narimasu. This is in my grammar video number 92 of JLPT N5. In the case of na adjective and also in the nouns, the last one, this is in na adjective na instead of na, changed to ni and ni narimasu. Do you remember this? Today we are going to use the same structure just like in なります but instead of なります with 見えます and 聞こえます It means in the case of E adjective く見えますく聞こえます In the case of な adjective and the noun に見えますに聞こえます English translation 見えます In this case it seems something or it looks like something here, the adjective or the noun. And in the case of 聞こえます it sounds like this something. Don't worry. Let's see some examples. My mother looks young. E adjective young, we say 若い. 若い. This is E adjective. Then we must change to the adverb. Then instead of E to く. 若く. お母さんは若く見えます。お母さんは若く見えます。This kanji seemed difficult, but I could write it quite good or quite skillfully. Here, adjective, 難しい difficult. Then we must change with く like adverb, 難しく。この漢字は難しく見えましたが上手に書けました。この漢字は難しく見えましたが上手に書けました。Here I used 見えました instead of 見えます because it seemed difficult. So it's the past tense. 難しく見えました。Here I used 上手に。上手 This is not adjective. 上手な。This is skillful. 上手な。But I must change to adverb. Then I change instead of なに上手に書けました。One other explanation. I used 書けました instead of 書きます。書きます to write. This is group 1. And I changed to 可能動詞 the potential verb. It means I could write. So instead of 書きます in the group 1, this without ます key sound, we must change to a sound. 書きくけ、書けました because this is I could. This is the past tense. So 書けました Twins look like the same. Twins, we say 双子 Look at this kanji. Looks like just the same 1 and 2 like this. This is 双子 Twins. The same. This is noun 同じ As this is a noun, we are going to use with に同じに双子は同じに見えます。双子は同じに見えます。What he says or his story sounds like a lie. This kanji only means story, 話。In the case of the verb 話します or 話す then in this case we pronounce only 話 and す or 話します。But only one kanji, this one, and this is the noun, and 話 story. 彼の 話 it means his story or what he says. 彼の話 a lie. This is the noun. 嘘 a lie. As this is the noun, so we are going to use with に嘘に彼の話は嘘に聞こえます。彼の話は嘘に聞こえます。Here I used 聞こえます because this means it sounds like 聞こえます。Oh, that sounds like a joke. A joke. 冗談 joke. 冗談 As this is the noun, we're going to use with に冗談にそれは冗談に聞こえます。それは冗談に聞こえます。Those brothers are always quarreling, so they look like cats and dogs. But actually, they get along with each other very well, you know? This sentence seems difficult, right? But you can do it. Did you think of it? Well, let's see some vocabularies at first. 兄弟 brothers. 今日 here the kanji of 兄 the elder brother, and here 弟 younger brother. And together 兄弟 brothers. To have a fight with someone or to have an argue with someone 喧嘩します the verb. And only 喧嘩 this is the noun, the fight or the quarrel, argument, this is 喧嘩 but 喧嘩します this is the verb. And if someone gets in fight very often, よく喧嘩します the expression to get along with someone well, 仲がいい like buddy buddy 仲がいい to be like cats and dogs 仲が悪い they hate each other or you can say 仲が良くない they don't like each other but anyway 仲が悪い、so they hate each other あの兄弟はよく喧嘩していますからあの兄弟はよく喧嘩していますから仲が悪く見えますが本当はとても仲がいいんですよ。あの兄弟はいつも喧嘩していますから仲が悪く見えますが本当はとても仲がいいんですよ。The expression, in fact, the truth is, or actually, 本当は because 本当 this is the noun, this is the truth. Is that true? Are you sure? Seriously? それは本当ですか Oh yeah? Really? No way. This is very casual way. Then we add with the particle に本当に and sometimes we don't say 本当に The doll in that movie seems creepy, seems frightening. Dolls 人形 This kanji 人 this is the person and this is 形 the form of the person. This is the doll 人形 E adjective frightening 怖い and if I say only 怖い it means I'm scared. Horror movies, scary movies 怖い映画 seems scaring. Then we must change this E adjective, the last one, to the adverb 怖く見えます。あの映画の人形は怖 怖く見えます。あの映画の人形は怖く見えます。That way of speaking sounds sarcastic, so be careful. Let's see some vocabularies. The way of speaking, 話し方 or the manner of speaking. The noun, irony or sarcasm. 皮肉 In this kanji, ひ this is the leather. And 肉 this is the meat. Well, I don't know why, but anyway, 皮肉 this is the sarcasm. And this can be the na adjective. 皮肉な sarcastic. To take care or to be careful with something. 気をつけます。So, 気をつけてください。Be careful or take care. その話し方は皮肉に聞こえますから気をつけてください。その話し方は皮肉に聞こえますから気をつけてください。Now a quiz time with 3 translations into Japanese, and you must use either 見えます or 聞こえます。We use 見えます when it looks like, and 聞こえます when it sounds like. 1番目 Putting on those sunglasses, you look cool. You look gorgeous. I help you with the vocabularies. Sunglasses, we say サングラス Cool, gorgeous かっこいい This is E adjective. Be careful, E adjective. 2番目 My grandson is very tall, so he doesn't look like he's 6 years old. I want to help you here with a vocabulary too. 背が高い This means someone is tall. 背が高い And someone is not tall, someone is short. 背が低い 3番目最後です。I didn't understand anything at all what you said now, but it sounded like Chinese. We studied 見えます and 聞こえます just after the adjectives or the nouns. Maybe it was a little bit difficult, right? But anyway, these 見えます and 聞こえます here are perception verbs because there's no intention. I don't try, but it sounds like this. My intention is not, but anyway, it looks like this. So this is perception verbs. If you liked this video, please don't forget to give me like, and if you can share my videos with your friends, this is gonna be a great help for me. And if you didn't subscribe my channel yet, please do it so that you can receive all of my videos and you can keep on learning Japanese with me. いかがでしたか？今日も見えます。そして聞こえます。この2つの知覚動詞を勉強しました。今回のこのパート2では、見えますと聞こえますの前に形容詞または名詞が来る場合です。どちらの場合も自分の意思とは全然関係なく自然にそのように見える、そのように見えてしまう、またはそのように聞こえる、そういうことです。このビデオが少しでも役に立ったなと思ってくださったら、ぜひいいねボタンと、そしてチャンネル登録も忘れないでお願いいたします。そして私のビデオをお友達に紹介してくださったらとても嬉しいです。ぜひお願いいたします。このように私のチャンネルでは日本語をわかりやすく説明して皆さんのお役に立てるように頑張っています。ですからぜひ応援してくださいね。ではまた次のビデオでお会いできるのをとても楽しみにしています。ぜひ来てくださいね。じゃあまたね。